In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link of Canva templates. If you've ever created something on Canva and wanted to share it with others, but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to make sharing your creative work quick and easy. By the end of this video, sharing links to your Canva templates will be second nature. First, let's imagine you've been busy on Canva, crafting a beautiful design, a flyer, a poster, or perhaps a presentation, and now you're ready to share it with your friends, colleagues, or clients. The good news is that Canva makes it incredibly straightforward to do this. Let's dive into the first part, locating the ever important share button. When you have your design open and ready on Canva, you'll find the share button in the top right corner of your screen. It's usually displayed as a rectangle with an upward arrow, standing ready to help you broadcast your design to the world. Now moving on to the next task, when you click that share button, you're greeted with a variety of sharing options. It's like discovering a small door to a world of connectivity. What you need to do here is look for the option that specifically mentions link sharing. This is typically labeled as copy link on the menu that appears. When you click on it, Canva automatically generates a unique link for your design. It's as simple as that, one click and you are almost ready to go. The crucial part here is understanding what this link does. This special link is like a key, allowing anyone you share it with to view your design. It's perfect for sending to someone who needs to see your design without them having to have a Canva account themselves, making the process seamless and accessible to everyone. However, one thing to be aware of, before you send out this link, consider the permissions. Canva allows you to set up various levels of access. People can be invited to view the design or even edit it. So take a moment to ensure the link is set to allow the exact level of interaction you want from the recipient. To wrap up, once you've copied the link, you can paste it into an email, a message, or wherever you need it to be shared. Think of it like passing a note in class, but with a modern twist and in a way that retains the quality and creative integrity of your design. The ability to share directly is a tremendous time saver and offers a polished means of collaboration or feedback. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks in Canva, your design can be shared with the world. Whether you're looking to collaborate with a team or simply show off what you've been working on, sharing your Canva templates has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy designing.